Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I thought I'd bring you along with me while I get ready. So that's both hair and makeup. And right now I'm just slicking my hair back into a low loose bun. I want to say I'm about 8 weeks post relaxer. Don't really want to deal with my hair today, and it's cold outside, so I'll be protective styling. So I slick my edges back with my Ebin Edge Control and my Echo Styler Black Castor Oil Gel. Love those two together, they just work wonders. So I'm putting the final touches on my edges and of course laying my satin scarf down so it can set. So for my makeup today, I'll be using the Merit Beauty brand. Honestly, I've been obsessing over this makeup for the past couple of weeks. I love it. I love how it's so chic, it's so minimal, it's clean, and their whole motto is less is more, which I'm loving lately. So right now I'm going to use the Brow 1980. So this is their volumizing pomade in the shade Black Brown. I love the look. I love how it's gold and it just looks so classy. Another thing that I love too is that the wand looks like a mascara wand. So it's actually combing your brows while you're applying the pomade. So it just works. My eyebrows lately have been very curly and just weird at times, so this really locks everything into place and I get all day hold, which is perfect. And another thing, this is actually buildable, so if you want, you can have a nice subtle brow, or you can use more applications to have it nice and dark. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorites out of the entire line. It just works and I love the way my brows look when I'm done. So right now I'm using my brow pencil just on the base of my brow just to make it a little bit more crisp and just to define it a little bit. And of course some concealer just to clean it up and make it pop. Okay, so here is the Minimalist Beauty. So this is the Complexion Stick. I'm in the shade Chestnut. So it's a pretty good match. As you guys can see, it's swatched here on my hand and it just completely disappears and it looks like skin. I just love it. So Merit claims that it's not foundation and it's not a concealer. It's actually both, which is pretty cool. They also suggest to use it to make small edits. So applying it to any scarring, any hyperpigmentation, any dark marks first, and then of course just blend it in. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm just applying it to any dark areas that I want to just cover up, and then I'll blend it in with my fingers. What I love most about this formula is that it's lightweight, but it's buildable. So if you want that light to medium coverage, you can achieve that. Or if you want more coverage, you can achieve that as well. So you have that option. And it's also very breathable. My skin feels like skin and it looks like skin. Plus it's hydrating, and you know, it's colder now. We're in fall, heading into winter. So it's perfect in terms of giving your skin that moisture and hydration that it needs. So here is the blending brush. It's super cute, it's compact, it's fluffy, and it's dense, but it's super soft. So I'm gonna use this just to blend out and buff the foundation for a seamless look. So, because I like a nice bright under eye, I'm going to be using my concealer just to highlight the usual areas and of course blend it out with my beauty blender. So now I'm using my translucent setting powder just to set all the areas that I highlighted, and then I'll blend this out with the blending brush. All right, so here we have the Flush Bomb, and this is in the shade Raspberry Beret. Absolutely love this color. It's a nice plum shade, perfect for fall. It also gives off a nice dewy look. So I like to use the same brush and just apply it to my cheekbones, kind of higher up, not directly on my cheeks, for a nice subtle look. And obviously this is buildable as well, but I love this shade. It's really gorgeous, especially on our skin tone, and it just melts into my skin for a nice natural look. Okay, so this is called the Day Glow. This is the highlighting balm. So this is in the shade Cava, and it's really pretty. I was actually kind of shocked at how bright it was, but it actually works. So it blends pretty well into my skin, as you guys can see. So you can use this many ways. You can use it under your foundation, the complexion stick, or you can use it on top like what I'm doing right now. So I just did my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well, and it just gives off a nice glow. Okay, so this is the Clean Lash. So it's the Lengthening Mascara, and this is in the shade Perfect Black. Love, love, love this mascara. This has been a game changer. Definitely another favorite. I love the length of the wand. I love how it just applies so easy. This has definitely been my go-to mascara for everyday use. I just find myself always reaching for this mascara as of late, so it's definitely a win in my book. And of course, the black and gold packaging is gorgeous. So between its benefits and the way it looks and the fact that it lengthens, it tints my lashes, it separates them perfectly, it's just a keeper. All right, so I'm almost done. So now just to lock everything in place, I'm gonna be using my setting powder just to set my face. So I have here the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Taupe. This is a beautiful natural nude lip gloss. I love it. I love how it's so subtle, but it has a nice tint of color to it as well. It's super pretty, and what I love most about it is that it's infused with amazing oils. So it has rosehip oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and shea butter. So you know it's perfect for fall and those cold winter months where your lips are just begging for moisture. So it comes in very handy, very clutch for the upcoming season. So I'm loving the natural skin-like finish, and we are done. So I'm gonna be moving on to hair, removing this satin scarf, putting on my wig cap, because today I'm rocking my headband wig, you guys. I've been wanting one of these for a while now. So this is from Eula Hair. This is a 18-inch human hair headband wig, and I'm here for it. Like, I love it. It looks like my relaxed hair flat ironed back when it was longer, but I'm enjoying my new length, but this is a really nice change. So, trying to figure out which earrings to wear, and I'm not entirely sure. Gotta see what looks good with the hair, you know, you gotta test it out. So I'm gonna flat iron and, you know, just comb it out and see what it looks like, nice and sleek. So yeah, guys, I'm basically done. This has been my go-to look as of late, just keeping things very simple, very easy, Simple makeup, easy hair, that has been my motto as of late, and I'm here for it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you guys have been up to this fall, what your go-to products are, whether it be hair or makeup. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.